The 5 new pence coin from 1968 holds historical significance as it marked a transition in British currency. Introduced as part of the decimalization process, it replaced the shilling in the old system, becoming 1/5 of a pound. At the time, this change aimed to simplify transactions and align with the decimal systems used by other countries. In terms of value, the 1968 5 new pence coin varies depending on its condition, rarity, and demand among collectors. Generally, circulated coins may have a lower value compared to uncirculated or mint condition ones. To determine the specific value of a coin, factors such as its mint mark, any errors, or unique characteristics should be considered. The design of the 1968 5 new pence coin features Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse side, while the reverse side depicts a crown thistle, representing Scotland. This design was created by Christopher Ironside, a notable coin designer of the time. Over the years, the 5 new pence coin underwent several changes in its composition and design. In 1990, it was reduced in size and replaced by the smaller 5 pence coin, which featured a different design altogether. This transition further adds to the historical significance of the 1968 coin, as it represents a specific era in British currency evolution. Collectors often seek out coins from this period due to their historical significance and aesthetic appeal. However, the value of the 1968 5 new pence coin is subject to market fluctuations and individual preferences within the numismatic community. In conclusion, the 1968 5 new pence coin holds both historical and numismatic value. Its introduction marked a significant change in British currency, and its design reflects the cultural heritage of the United Kingdom. While its value may vary, collectors continue to appreciate these coins for their historical significance and unique design. The 5 new pence coin from 1968 holds a certain charm and historical significance, but its monetary value today is largely dependent on various factors such as its condition, rarity, and demand from collectors. To delve deeper into its worth, let's explore its background, design, market value, and factors influencing its current monetary value. Introduced as part of the decimalization of British currency in 1971, the 5 new pence coin replaced the shilling. It was minted in various compositions, including copper-nickel and, later, copper-plated steel. The 1968 edition is particularly noteworthy for being one of the early mintings of this denomination. In terms of design, the obverse side typically features a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, while the reverse side depicts a crown thistle, representing Scotland. This design was created by Christopher Ironside, a renowned British coin designer. When determining the value of a 1968 5 new pence coin, several factors come into play. The condition of the coin is paramount. Coins in better condition generally fetch higher prices among collectors. Additionally, the rarity of the coin influences its value. If there were any errors in the minting process or if only a limited number of coins were produced, the value could increase significantly. Market demand also plays a crucial role. If there is a surge in interest among collectors for a particular coin or if it fits into a specific collection theme, its value can rise. Conversely, if the market is saturated with similar coins or if there is limited demand, the value may remain relatively stable or even decrease. Furthermore, the metal composition of the coin affects its intrinsic value. Coins made of precious metals like gold or silver inherently have higher values due to the worth of the metal itself. However, since the 1968 5 new pence coin is typically made of copper-nickel or copper-plated steel, its intrinsic value is relatively low compared to precious metal coins. To ascertain the precise monetary value of a 1968 5 new pence coin, it's advisable to consult with numismatic experts or utilize online resources such as coin valuation websites or auctions. These platforms can provide up-to-date information on recent sales and market trends, helping collectors make informed decisions about buying, selling, or trading coins. In summary, while the 1968 5 new pence coin may not have a high intrinsic value due to its metal composition, its worth to collectors can vary significantly based on factors such as condition, rarity, and demand. As with any collectible item, Conducting thorough research and seeking expert advice are essential for determining its current monetary value.